Monsoon are periodic winds which occur mainly in the Ocean Indic and South Asia. The winds blow from the southwest in India and surrounding regions are characterized by very heavy rainfall, although technically there is also a dry patch.
Monsoons are large-scale sea breezes which occur when the temperature on land is significantly warmer or cooler than the temperature of the ocean. These temperature imbalances are caused because the oceans and land absorb heat in different ways. For oceans, the temperature remains relatively stable for two reasons. Water has a relatively high heat capacity, and because both conduction and convection will equilibrate a hot or cold surface. With deeper water, in contrast, dirt, sand, and rock have lower heat capacities, and they can only transmit heat into the earth by conduction and not by convection. The result is that bodies of water stay at more mild temperature, while land temperature are more variable. During warmer months, sunlight hits the surfaces of both the land and the oceans, but the land temperature rises faster. Since the land surface is warm, the gases expand and an area of low pressure develops. Since the ocean is at a more moderate temperature, it retains a higher pressure than on land. This pressure difference causes sea breezes to blow from the ocean to land, bringing moist air. To complete the cycle, air rises to a higher altitude over land and then floats back toward the ocean. However, upon rising and while still over land, the air cools, which decreases its ability to hold water, causing precipitation over land. This is the reason why summer monsoon causes a large amount of rain over land. In the colder months, the cycle is reversed. Since the land cools more quickly than the oceans, the air over land has higher pressure. This causes the sea breezes at the surface to flow from the land to the ocean. When the humid air rises over the ocean to complete the cycle, it begins to cool, causing precipitation over the ocean. In Indonesia, monsoon system divided into two. There are West monsoon and East monsoon. West monsoon or winter northeaster monsoon is wind that blows in October to April in Indonesia. The wind was blowing when the sun is in the southern hemisphere, which led to the Australian continent. Going through the summer, resulting in minimum pressure and colder continental Asia, resulting in a maximum pressure. According to Weiss-Bloch's law, the wind will blow from the minimum pressure area to maximum pressure area, so that the wind is blows from Asia to the Australian continent, and because south towards the equator, the wind will be deflected to the left. In this period, Indonesia will experience the rainy season due to the mass of water vapor carried by the wind, a stroke past ocean in the northern part, or the Pacific Ocean and
East monsoon. East monsoon or southwest summer monsoon is a wind that blows in April until October in Indonesia. This wind was blowing when the sun is the north part of the earth. This condition causing Australia have winter season, so maximum pressure in Australia, but Asia becomes hotter, so the minimum pressure in Asia. According to the Weiss-Bloch law, wind will blow from the minimum pressure area to the maximum pressure area. Because of this law, so that the winds blow from Australia to the Asia and as to North Khatulistiwa or equator, the wind will be deflected to the right. In this period, Indonesia will have dry season due to the wind through the desert in the dry northern Australia.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to follow us. Salam.